Welcome to Edney Guitars. My name's Alex Edney. I'm a full-service repair shop. I work on anything fretted, not just guitars, but banjos, mandolins, ukuleles. If it's got frets on it, I fix it. And occasionally, even if it doesn't have frets, I also fix it. Yeah, I've got two Gibsons on the bench. This is a vintage Gibson guitar that needs a lot of work. I perform a full line of repairs ranging from the everyday setup fretwork all the way to Gibson neck resets, Martin neck resets, more restoration projects, things like that. Broken headstock or other structural wood repair. I can do finish touch-ups. Bone nut, bone saddle, new frets. In addition to doing repair work, I also build my own acoustic guitars from scratch. And I've got one on the bench right here, if you want to take a look. This is a newly started guitar and it's in its early stages. It's going to be made out of American black walnut, which is a domestic wood that grows right here in North America. I've got my sides bent here. This is going to be the back. Got my bracing glued on. And right here is going to be the top set. One of the unique things about my guitars is I try my absolute best not to use any exotic materials. I love domestic woods like black walnut, maple, cherry. I think you can build really beautiful guitars out of these woods. And you don't need to impact the rainforest to do that. I also really enjoy using hot hide glue on the majority of my guitars. It looks like this right here. I cook this stuff in my shop here. I think it's a superior tonal result. I also just enjoy that it's a natural material. It's a traditional type of adhesive. If you'd like any more info about the guitars I'm building, or if you have any interest in owning one, please do visit my website and feel free to get in touch anytime with questions. We can talk about what you're after in a guitar and what you need out of a guitar. So this guitar came in needing some fretwork. We're talking about replacing the bridge as well, and we're going to replace some of the electrical components inside. Really special guitar to the owner, so I can't wait to work on it for him. Located in Hiram, Maine, which is about an hour north of Portland. I do take guitars in the mail if you'd like to ship me a project. It sounds good too.
It sounds amazing. It's infinitely better than the original.
I'm really pleased with it.
I would trust you with my mark.
I've been doing repair work for 20 years now and really enjoy taking somebody's instrument and just making it the best it can be.